friends, welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. If you guys are new, my name is Z. In today's video, we are just doing our challenge, and today's challenge day 5, and for day 5 we are doing catch up. So yesterday I didn't finish much of the pattern, so I am gonna go through the pattern. And this is my system, you guys. There's so many ways to store your pattern, but this is the way that I like to store my pattern, and I've been doing this in the past. So I'm not gonna completely get rid of this system. I'm just gonna add to it and file away the loose piece. Like I have a bunch of these loose pieces because I just got lazy, and then sometimes I just toss them in here without like creating a manila folder for it. I mean envelope, not a folder. This is a folder. I mean an envelope, a manila envelope that you guys can buy a pack for pretty cheap on Amazon. So you guys can do this, or you guys can use the dry erase one. I think I like this more because it's a little bit more cost effective than the clear envelope, the dry erase envelope that people use to put their orders in. So I'm just gonna keep up with the systems, and then I'll also put Rebecca the crafter. I think that's her TikTok. She gave me some point on how she store her PDF patterns, and I think she said she used a binder system. So I think she shared on her TikTok. I think she did. So I will put her TikTok below so you guys can check her out. I don't think she has a YouTube yet. So she has a TikTok account where you guys can check out all her work and how she store her items. So she shared a lot of good tips on her TikTok too. So if you guys have a system how you guys store your pattern, leave in the comment below, you guys, so other people can see how how you store your patterns, because just give people more ideas of what they can do, because I mean not one idea will fit everybody's needs, so a lot of people have different ways of how to store it, because depend on their space, depend on their style and what they like. And I find this is easy for me and it works for my space. I thought about hanging them like how my teacher do it in the fashion class, but I decided that I'm not going to do that because I don't have the space for it. So I mainly just going to be put it in these envelope and just doing this way. And for PDF pattern, I do not print out the instruction. I used to do it, and then it got like too much. Unless you have a eco-friendly or ink saver printer that can print a lot of paper without using up too much ink, then yeah, and then if you guys like that method, you guys can go ahead and print it out. I used to do it, but now I don't do that anymore. I just put on the instruction and save everything to my iPad. So I save everything to the Kindle app. So the Kindle app, you can save like your PDF documents in there. So I just put everything in there, and I only print out the pattern piece. And then I would only print out once, and I would trace it out the size I need, because I don't want to tape it again. If you don't want to tape it again, you can just print one time and tape it and just trace it, and then keep the original printed versions, and then you can trace everything out yourself. I know that is a lot of step, and there's another way where you don't even have to print out any pattern. If you guys go the projector route, that's also the new thing, but the only problem I see with that is you cannot do pattern adjustment. Like if you try to alterate the pattern, you can't really do that. You still have to trace it out. And then the second con I see with that is, if you have some older pattern or some pattern company, they don't have the layer turn off, then you cannot select the size that you need to cut out, and you have to turn on all of the layers, and that's gonna be confusing because there's like probably how many sizes the company offer. It's gonna be hard for you to try to see where you're gonna cut. So that's the two cons that I see with the projector. And also, if you don't have the space, or even you can't even hang it if you're renting, then yeah. So I think there's like a little bit of con with that. The good side to it is that you don't have to print out your pattern, but there is still some limitation to that. So I'm just gonna stick with my printed pattern version and just keep all the instruction on my iPad, so I don't have to print out all the instructions. Anyways, I will just be working on this today, and then I will update you guys later if I have the time. Sorry I didn't update yesterday because I didn't get to work on anything yesterday. So for catch a day, I'm gonna be doing this, and then I will update you guys. And then tomorrow, hopefully I get to it, you guys. I did say yesterday, but I'm gonna try to get to it. If not today, it'll be early tomorrow, because I plan to do the stencil in the evening tomorrow, not early tomorrow. So anyways, I'll see you guys. Take care, you guys. Have a great day. Hey you guys, so this is all the books and magazine. I have way more than this, but I took 2 bins out to the garage because I just can't get rid of all of my sewing books. I mean, look at all these titles. I can't get rid of these patterns. These are like patterns book that I need to reference, so I can't get rid of it. And I took most of the one about like fashion history and just my designer autobiography, like those type of book that I don't need to reference. I took those to the garage, but I only left the pattern ones and magazines because I don't have too many magazines, so that's all I have left. And then those are binders of my pattern making class that it was all my notes, and I just left them there so I can also look back. So anyways, that's all the magazine and books that I consolidated and put into this bookshelf over here. So I hope that you guys were able to do the same for your own stash. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next challenge, which is day 6, which is the fabric organization. Okay.